HVAC unit itself. Plenum. This line and the main trunk line elbow need to be wrapped with insulation like that down there. Return needs to be wrapped just to make the machine as quiet as possible. There are 2 bedrooms up here. This thing vibrates the entire floor. The heat radiating off this, especially in areas like this, and there's a couple of them, are cooking, literally cooking the second floor. This needs to be wrapped. 100%, this needs to be wrapped. All these joints have air coming out of them. All that air could be going to the first floor where it's much needed. The second floor is heated totally by the unit. All the vents are off. It's the unit itself radiating the heat on the second floor that's heating the second floor like this. God forbid we opened all the vents, it would be an absolute sauna in here. This needs to be wrapped for another reason. Summertime. This is soaking wet. Water everywhere, hence the mold already building up on the putty.